feels wonderful to be here at the M1 Concourse. We are going to be joining together really for a wonderful cause, and that's why we're also here tonight to celebrate what we're able to do. Sometimes we take for granted in our mobility, in our vehicles, in our transportation, and tonight we can give back.
Do you know that the city of Pontiac has more than twice the national average of households without access to vehicles? That is why we established the Checkered Flag Challenge. In the 3 years since we started the M1 Mobility Program, we have provided rides for over 6,000 people. We provide rides for swimming classes, field trips. If you take a look on your table, you'll see note cards from some of the kids that we have been working with and transporting. Tonight, our challenge is to increase the number of programs that we work with. Our challenge is to increase the number of vans in our fleet. Our challenge is to add an ADA van to our fleet to expand our ability to assist our disabled residents.